Hi guys, welcome back to Tafura Tech. Today's video, I will walk you through the essentials of writing a comprehensive business plan. Whether you are starting a new business or looking to refine your current goals, a well-crafted business plan is crucial for success. So, in this video, I will go through all the different step-by-step guide for beginners or advanced level. So what I will cover in this video, I will give you a quick introduction to business plan, understand what a business plan is and why it's important, then key section, and then different step-by-step guides, some tips and tricks, and I have an example in front of me. You can see the templates here I have used for my website previously. And who should watch this video? So all entrepreneur, they're starting a new venture, small business owners looking to grow, students learning about business planning, anyone interested in understanding the fundamentals of business strategy. So let's dive in. So first, I have a template here. So what is the business plans? So it's an overview of your plans. So what is your business about? What is your business mission statement? And different market analysis, then business description, how bigger, then location, etc. I will go through all the steps uh, soon. So for this example, I'm using my own templates. So I start with different key sections. So first is executive summary. So what is this? So it is like your business overview. So you can provide a brief description of your business, including the business name, location, products or services you offer. Then your mission statement, state the mission of your business. Then outline your short-term and long-term goals. Then you can highlight the critical factors that will make your business success. Then business description. Here, you need to describe the business structure. You need to define the legal structure of your business. Example, what type of business? Is it a sole traders, partnerships, or limited company? Then, where is your business location located? You can describe the location of your business. And then, what type of products or services offered your business? So, you can list and describe the products or services you will be provide. Then, your unique selling point propositions, so USP. This is really important for your competitors, so you can explain what makes your business unique compared to competitors. Then next section is market analysis, so your industry overview. You can provide an overview of the industry you're operating in, including current trends, growth, perspective, or market size. Then who is your target market? You can define your target market segments, including demographics, geographic location, and psychographics. Then competitive analysis, identify your key competitors, their strengths and weakness, and your competitive advantage. Next, you can include the market needs. You can analyze the needs of your target market and how your product or service will meet those needs. Then different regulatory environment, you can discuss any relevant laws and regulation affecting your industry. Then the next section is marketing and sales. So you can describe your marketing plan, including online or offline marketing channel, different social media, your website, local advertising, etc. Then branding. So you can outline your branding, including your brand message, logo, or other elements. Then sales. So explain how you will attract and retain customers, including your sales process or different techniques you're going to use. Then you can put your details for your pricing models for the various products or service offers. Next section is organizational structure. So the management teams, you can describe their background and experience of the business owners and key management personnel. Then staffing plan, outline your staffing needs, including the roles and responsibility of employees. Then professional advisors, you can list any external advisor, legal, example would be like legal, accounting, marketing consultant. And then next section is product or services. So provide details, description of the products or service you will offer. Then your development stage, explain the current stage of development of your products or services. And then production plan, describe how your product will be produced or how your service will be delivered. Then you can note any patent, trademarks, or other intellectual properties. Next section is operational plan. So details the day-to-day operation of your business, how it will be your operational workflow, technology and tools. You can define what type of technology or tools you are going to uh, utilize for your business. Then location and facilities, then suppliers, so you can list the key suppliers and their importance to your business operation. Then customer service, explain how you will ensure excellent customer service. Then next section is financial plan. So you can draw up your financial plans starting with the cost, provide a breakdown of your initial expenses, easy office lease, equipment, marketing, etc. Then funding requirement, details any funding needed and potential sources. Example is loans, investor. Then next is revenue. So you can present projected revenue stream from different products or services. Then profit and loss statement include projected income and expenses for the for the first few years. And then cash flow statement, you can provide an overview of expected cash flow and outflows. And lastly is balance sheet. So you can present the projected financial position of the business at a startup and at regular intervals. Example would be the annually. And last box for the business plan would be risk analysis. So risk assessment, identify potential risks, market downturns, supply chains issues, and their impact on your business. And then you can outline some strategies to mitigate identified this, those risks. And lastly, you can add different appendix like resume of your management teams, and then market research data. So you can attach details, market research data supporting your analysis. And lastly is legal documents, include any legal documents related to business information. So that's all for today's video, and I hope this is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful contents on entrepreneurship and business growth. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.